What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a home charger for your electric vehicle. Now, this is going to be a level 2 charger that you can install at your home, your office. It uses a NEMA 1450 plug. It's going to be the 4-prong plug. So as long as you have that, you can plug this right in. Hopefully it's in your garage, and that way you have easy access to your electric vehicle. So let's go ahead and open this up, see the way it looks, and then we're going to install it. All right, so once you open the box, you get your user manual. You have some labels, so that way if you're going to be hardwiring this unit, you can label the right amperage on your electric box. Also, you can label the correct amperage on your plug, so that way you always know what type of power is going through here. You have a mounting plate, you have a mounting bracket for your plug, and this is going to be the charging unit itself. And then you have some NFC cards, and this is what allows you to activate the unit. It's more of like a security feature, and that way no one can just tap in and use your charging station without you knowing. All right, some key features of this unit is that it's really mobile. So you can see how big it is. Now, this can be installed indoors or outdoors. You can put this on a charging stand if you have one of those, or you can mount it on the wall with your mounting screws. To get an idea of the plug, this version, once again, is going to be your NEMA 1450. So if you have one of these installed in your garage, that would be ideal to use. This is going to be the charging plug for your EV. To release the safety cap here, that's the way the plug looks. This is going to be the J1772 type plug. So make sure that you have a compatible vehicle. If not, you will need an adapter to make this work. So with that said, let's go ahead and get this installed, see how it's used, show you how to use the app. Well, all right, guys, this is going to be the Cube 50 Level 2 home charger by EVCUB. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.